Hello aspirants. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the latest notification, a press release which has been rolled out by the CLAT Consortium. So this is regarding the CLAT 2025 examination. As you know, for the next academic year, that is 25-26, if you want to get enrolled in any of the NLU, you have to mandatorily appear in this exam called Common Law Admission Test. And the date in this regard has been released now. And the notified date according to this press release is December 1st, 2024 between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Right? The registration for this is not yet open, and when it will be open, we will make a special video on that as well. Right now what we know is the mode of examination, that is going to be offline. Second, it is going to be on December of 1st, 2024. Apart from that, there is some very serious or important information that has not yet been provided by the CLAT Consortium but will play a crucial role in your preparation, that is regarding the syllabus and guide. Now if you go to the syllabus and guide portion of this particular CLAT Consortium's website, you will see here that still it shows the syllabus and criteria for CLAT 2024. Right? Now when this will be changed, you will see CLAT 2025 in the picture and the syllabus therein would be used in your examination. So what you have to follow other than the date is the syllabus portion. As and when the CLAT Consortium will update about this, we will roll out another video. Right? Till then, this is the only information that has been given through this particular press release. I hope this video was useful. Thank you so much.